Alright guys, this is that same Abyss 8345. Has an interchangeable core. I picked this lock in another video. Has security pins, all spool pins, all 5. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys something a little bit different today. You can see it has an interchangeable core. If you go to the Abyss website, you can see the security rating for this lock. I believe it's a number 8 out of 10. It's compatible with a Schlage or Schlage I-core, a Yale I-core, or there's one other one, I forget it, but anyway, if you guys go to the website, you can check it out. This one right here happens to be a Schlage, and this is my Schlage bump key. I know you guys have seen this before. All of the cuts are filed to a half a cut lower than the factory or the lowest factory specifications cut. And this, I believe, is called the minimal movement method. It's really easy to do on this lock. I've tried it on other locks and it didn't work exactly the way I wanted it to. Alright, first off, you can tell the key does not work the lock, just like, you know, a bump key. It is a bump key. Alright, so don't work the lock. Alright, so what you do is you pull it out a half a click, or of one click, and then apply your turning pressure, and then just kind of rake it a little bit. Go in and out. There it is. And this is kind of a different way to use your bump keys. And there you have it. Pretty cool.